of America. How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
How was your flight?
It was okay, a little bumpy, but it's alright.
It's all right?
Yeah.
And are you excited to be here?
Yeah, sure.
You are?
Whatever you say, yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So today is a very exciting day. Toot toot. So today I'm picking up my little brother from the airport because he's coming from Jamaica. He's gonna be spending the summer with us, Jabari and I. Jabari don't want to be in the intro today, so I guess later on you guys will see him in the video. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm so happy to have him. It is his first time traveling, and I know he is super ecstatic to be here. I can't wait to, just take him out and spoil him a little bit, if he behaves, that is. But yeah, so talk along with us. It's pretty early. I'm so tired, guys, because I basically left work and have to be heading to New York City. So it's a long drive. It's like 4 hours drive, okay? I wish I could just put him on a Greyhound bus and just have him travel by himself, but I won't do that to him. I won't do that to my little bro. It's his first time, and I want him to have a very good experience. So that's basically it. I'm tired and sleepy. So I guess I'll catch you in the next clip. So hey guys, I am so disappointed. What are you looking for?
GoPro.
I'm so disappointed because I got to the airport late, so my girlfriend had to go and get my brother, so I didn't get the whole experience. Welcoming him through the airport or none of that. But nevertheless, he's here and he's safe. That's what is important. So Shaquille, welcome to United States of America. How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
How was your flight?
It was okay, a little bumpy, but it's alright.
It's all right?
Yeah.
And are you excited to be here?
Yeah, sure.
You are?
Whatever you say, yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Get the camera off me.
So where's Tito ba?
Yo!
Where's Tito ba?
Cool. Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So yeah, everybody's hungry now. So I guess it's time for breakfast. What do you want?
Starbucks.
I'm not going to Starbucks.
Shaquille votes Starbucks, so she can be outvoted.
Shaquille, you want to eat? I'm not buying no Starbucks, period.
Oh no!
Me not have no yam banana, Shaquille.
No, that's
Yam banana is when I go
that's
home.
not funny in my head.
I don't have no yam banana.
That's joking. Take me to one of your place.
Dunkin' Donuts. You said you wanted to try there, right?
Later, bro. Don't eat in the morning. Come on.
Yeah, no, you
No,
can
they
have
have breakfast
bagel and
sandwiches.
stuff. Egg sandwich,
Egg,
bacon with cheese and
croissants.
stuff.
Wendy.
Wendy's
for
too
breakfast,
early.
You tripping? Something wrong.
Alright, obviously they're not hungry, but guys, we'll
Alright,
let you
don't
know
do it,
where
don't
we're
do
gonna
it,
get
don't
food, okay? So
Or hot.
I'll see you in the next clip.
What did I say?
Hello, how may I help you?
Can I get one number 4, please?
Would you like a meal?
Yes.
Medium or large?
Medium.
And your drink? That'll be
Can I?
$9.85.
No.
Jabbar, what do you want?
That's not it. That's not it. Can you pop up at the other screen? I saw something that I was about to say.
Okay, so we have the number for the bacon quarter pounder.
Oh, orange soda?
Orange. Anything else?
No, thank you.
That'll be $19.91 at the first window. Thank you.
You know what?
Ooh, baby.
Where are we, Ma?
We're on Jamaica Avenue.
Ooh, and here's tough.
I thought we were going.
Oh, there's clothes. Ooh, those fire.
And the two chatterbox, they can chat.
Hey guys. That's a boy. That's a boy. Look, Jojo. Oh, your name is Julie.
Yo.
Julie. Hey Julie, you got that drip. Drip.
So, Ma, Mommy,
Yeah.
where are we now?
In Queens.
Queens?
Jamaica Ave.
Yeah, and she's getting some stuff that she needs.
We do not taste it.
So hey guys, I got myself
I'm hungry.
something to eat. I got a pineapple and ginger drink on the Ave. I also got patty and cocoa bread. And I got bun and cheese.
For me.
I've been feeling for bun and cheese for the past week. I'm not sure why, so I finally got it. I wanted the Jamaican cheese.
This is in the way a little bit.
It's all good, bro.
It's all good.
You want this?
No, what type of patty is that? Thank you for offering me. What type of patty is that?
Beef.
Beef patty.
Oh, I'm good.
Open my drink for me.
I got you.
Right.
Yeah, I'm strong like that, guys. Yeah, your boy's been hitting the basketball court, you know.
Put my bag down. Your foot is on a cup and I'm gonna drink my water out of.
I'm
You damn extra. You damn extra.
So how's you guys' day going? Comment down below.
Where's the water?
When's the last time we done a mukbang?
I don't like this patty.
Shit, can I do some
There's
of
no
this?
meat in there really. It's
I
so
do some of
dry.
So they can have some of this?
Huh?
It's water.
I just boil your water. Where's it?
It's done. I'm thirsty.